Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to complete a Hyperdoc, in particular, your first Hyperdoc called Earth Systems and Processes. A Hyperdoc is a document, a Google Doc, that has been filled with links that are interactive for you. This particular Hyperdoc has kind of like a tic-tac-toe kind of feel to it in the fact that you have a lot of different links that you can go to that have you do several different things. Some of them have you read about a particular topic. Some of them have you watch a video. Some of them have you interact. Some of them have you play games. So all of these squares have directions in them. For instance, this square says to watch, and it says to watch the video, take the quiz, and sing along. So if I click on this link, which are the blue words, then it's going to take me to this Scholastic Rock Cycle link. And from here, I can sing the karaoke song, I can play the video, and then I can test myself. So there are interactive things that you need to do on the sites when you get here. Okay, so you'll need to explore by playing the video and watching that. You'll need to also, you can close it over here. You need to also, kind of like sing the karaoke song. It'll be fun, right? That would be totally cool. You're by yourself at your house. Nobody's going to make fun of you. And then you can test yourself, okay? But guys, don't test yourself before you've actually watched the video and maybe looked through some of this key vocabulary. Otherwise, you won't be successful. So that's just one link inside this Hyperdoc. This Hyperdoc has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different links that you need to interact with. Okay. Now, there are two that I want to talk to you about in particular today that talk to you, and they say to add it to your Google Classroom assignment. Okay. So this one says to write. It says open a Google Doc and write a paragraph comparing and contrasting mechanical and chemical weathering. Now, at some point during these boxes, you're going to probably encounter these terms, mechanical and then chemical weathering. Okay. And so you may want to save this one and the create one down here to the very end. All right. You want to do everything else before you get to these two. But this is how you add a document to your Google Classroom assignment, okay? You are going to go to the assignment that you have that this is linked to. In this case, it's in your science classroom. It's called Virtual Assignments, Earth Systems and Processes, Hyperdoc. When you click on this assignment, you have to go to View Assignment. This is where you go to turn in stuff, right? Check this out. Right here below, in between, below where your Google Doc is and above where you turn in, it says add or create. You can click that plus button and you can create a doc. And from that doc, guess what you can do? You can complete what this box says to do. You can write a paragraph that compares and contrasts mechanical and chemical weathering. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? And from here, you can just type your comparing and contrasting paragraph. I'm going to show you how to do that again. If you go back to your Hyperdoc and it says open a Google drawing and create a poster about the 4 types of mass movement. Remember, mass movement is like sediment movement, okay? And then add that to your Google Classroom assignment. You can go back over here to your assignment, click add or create, and oh my goodness, there's a drawings. Oh, that makes me so happy. I know that you're smiling about this. Now, I haven't taught you how to do all the drawings in here. So guess what you're going to have to play around with? You're going to have to play around with Google Drawings. I suggest that you start with a scribble line, which allows you to freehand and scribble without any kind of restriction. Okay. Now, if you don't like that, then you can simply go to the undo and try again. Okay. But scribble tool is like using a pencil just with your keypad. You can also use shapes. You can totally insert shapes in this box. Not a problem. You can hit the delete button if you don't like it. Okay. When you have done this, it automatically makes it Striker Hardens work. So check this out. I'm just going to scribble. I'm going to write down hi on this drawing just as my example. Okay. That's my example. When I go back to my Google Classroom now and I turn this in, it's automatically going to turn in Striker Hardens drawing that's attached to this that I opened up and added. It's automatically going to attach this particular document and this particular drawing to this assignment because I added it to this assignment. Is that not the coolest thing ever? It makes me happy. So your job today is to, and Friday, because it's going to take you a minute, it's going to take you some time, is to go ahead and work through all of this Hyperdoc, add those attachments to your work, okay? And remember, the way that you get there is by going to your classwork. You have to choose View Assignment, and then you can add those things in there, okay? Oh, I'm excited about what you're going to do with this Hyperdoc and what you're going to learn. It makes me happy. All right, talk to you later.